Why are sampling methods crucial for biodiversity surveys? Imagine trying to understand the full story of life in a forest or a coral reef. You can't possibly see every single plant or animal, so you need a smart way to gather clues. That's where sampling methods come in. They are the tools scientists use to get a snapshot of the variety of life in a specific area. Without them, it would be like trying to guess how many fish are in a pond by just looking at the surface. Sampling helps us estimate how many species are there, how many individuals of each species, and how they interact. Since studying every single organism is impossible, sampling gives us a practical way to collect useful data. It helps ensure that the information we gather truly reflects the real diversity, not just a small, biased piece. Different species have different sizes, behaviors, and preferred habitats. So, choosing the right sampling method makes a big difference in which species we find and how accurately we can count them. For example, line-transect sampling involves walking along a straight line and recording what you see. This method is quick and works well for counting animals or plants along a path. But if not planned carefully, it might miss some species that prefer different areas. More advanced methods help fix problems like sampling bias, where some species are easier to find than others. Scientists use statistical models to adjust their counts, making estimates more reliable. These models can account for animals hiding or being active at different times. They also help calculate diversity indices, which tell us how rich and balanced a community is. For example, the Gini-Simpson index measures how evenly species are distributed in an area. Environmental variability is another challenge. Different microhabitats can host very different communities. So, sampling across various habitats increases the chance of finding rare or hidden species. Combining multiple rounds of sampling and using techniques like DNA barcoding can help identify species that look alike or are hard to spot. This is especially useful for cryptic species or those with low numbers. Good sampling methods are essential for tracking changes over time. They help scientists see how ecosystems respond to disturbances like pollution or climate change. The data collected guides conservation efforts, showing which species or habitats need protection. Modern tools, from simple binoculars to environmental DNA analysis, make sampling faster and more accurate. In the end, sampling methods are the backbone of biodiversity surveys. They shape the quality of the data and help us understand the complex web of life around us. By carefully choosing and applying these methods, scientists can better measure biodiversity, detect shifts, and support efforts to conserve our natural world.